Hello everyone, good evening. My name is Ms.Khushi and I have completed my BTECH from Sweris College of Engineering, Pandharpur with a 9.85 CGPA and I am a 2024 pass out. I am coming in the Pune and after that I have joined the Qspider Institute as a part of incubation program. Talking about our trainers, Tejas sir is a really great trainer and also that the Prasad sir is also a great trainer. From that we learned so many basic and also I have cleared my concept from all the trainers. Also all staff is very supportive here. After that I have given here the mock interviews which helped me a lot to gain experience of interviews. Also the trainers also helped me to clear my doubts also. After that, I have given interview in my college for the Capgemini, but I have not placed. But when I joined the Qspiders, and within the 3 months, I got opportunity to place there from the Qspiders. So thank you Qspiders and all the team.